How to make money on Etsy in 2023, opportunities and strategies. Making money on Etsy involves setting up an online shop and selling handmade or vintage items. Here are 10 steps to help you get started. Choose your niche. Select a niche or category of products that you're passionate about and skilled in creating or sourcing. Create an Etsy account. Sign up for an Etsy seller account and complete the shop setup process. Stock your shop. List your products, ensuring high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Shop branding. Customize your shop's banner, profile picture, and about section to reflect your brand. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in product titles and descriptions to improve visibility in Etsy's search results. Shipping and packaging. Set shipping options and prices, and ensure your packaging is professional and protects your items. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly and addressing any issues professionally. Market your shop. Promote your Etsy shop through social media, email marketing, and other online channels. Diversify income streams. Offer custom orders, digital downloads, or printables if applicable to your niche. Analyze and adapt. Regularly check your shop's performance, adjust pricing, and expand your product line based on customer feedback and market trends. Building a successful Etsy shop takes time, effort, and dedication. Focus on creating unique, high-quality products, providing excellent customer service, and staying updated with Etsy's policies and best practices to succeed on the platform. Subscribe for more ways to make money online.